This video will show you how I made the link on the bottom of your page to add a new menu item linked to that particular article that you have on Joomla. Um, there's a lot of Joomla gives you a lot of flexibility in terms of what you could connect to a menu item, and anything that exists within your website could be linked to a menu item. But not only that, once it's linked to a menu item, Joomla gives you a lot of different options on how to display what you have linked to that particular menu item. In this instance, we're gonna connect it to an article. So go to menus. That menu on the bottom, I have designated it bottom menu, obviously, to give it a logical name. Bottom menu, click on that. It will bring you to the interface to edit that menu. Here you can see the order of the menu items, and with this little arrows, if you want to change the order, which I might have to do because the latest menu item created comes on the bottom, and I actually want it higher than that. What you need to do is create a new menu item, and here are all your options of everything that exists within your Joomla website. And these are actually nested categories. If you see a plus sign next to the link, that means that there's more options once you click that link. So I'm going to click the articles because we want to link to an article. And here are all the options that you have within the article. I want to display that article in I want to display it so the article takes a whole page, so it will be an article layout. You could get more familiar with all the different options of how to make a menu item on that book that I emailed you or sent you. So article layout, that's what I'm looking for. Now you have the options to actually build the menu item, and the menu item, the name is going to be areas we serve. This gives you the option of nesting that menu item within another menu item, but on this bottom menu that wouldn't be a good choice because it wouldn't look good, or you don't want these things to drop down once somebody hovers over them. So in this instance, we're gonna just leave it a top menu item, which means that it's not nested under anything else. This is like a little more advanced, but it's already Joomla automatically picks the options that are the most user-friendly options. This gives you the option of where actually you want to display that menu item, but it's already set up to the one you picked first. This is actually the code, the hard code, that's gonna get linked in the code in the back. This box here, this is where you select what article you would like to link to this menu item, and this a list of all the articles that you have in your Joomla website will appear. And this is the article here, areas we service. Select that article. This is a little more advanced, but the titles are self-explanatory. For instance, on that particular article, you do not want to show who wrote it. You do not want to show the created date, so I hide it. You do not want to show the modified date, so I hide it. There's gonna be no read more. You do not want to show a PDF option for it. You hide it. You might want to show a print option and an email option. So that's pretty much it. Now, one last thing for this name to be shown on the tab on top of the browser, what you do is you click down the system parameters option, and you give the page a title. This title that you give in the page here is different from the title on top. You also have the option of showing the page title on the page. I usually click no because that's like redundant. And this stuff is a little more advanced. You don't even have to touch that. And just click save. And as you can see here, the menu item was created. It's obviously the last one, and let's see what it looks like on the page. Refresh. And then here you see it. The last thing that I'm going to show you is how to change the position of a menu item. You either just manually type the position where you want it to be and click on the save button here, or you can manually bring it up by clicking this item here. By clicking the up arrow. And here it is. If you want to keep bringing it up. But that's a pretty prominent position there. You want sitemap to be the last one. The sitemap is actually more for the search engines than for people. And the areas we service is actually more for search engine optimization than for people. And let's see it change positions here now. You'll see it come to this point here when I refresh. And here it is. Let's see what it looks like actually. Now for you to add modules, these modules that have them set up that they appear on every single page. For you to show the left hand side modules here, this is the way you do it. I'll show you right now. You go to the module manager. What I like to do is select the position that's actually the right. I said the left, but it's the right side. Click on the right, and this will display all the modules that are located on the right side of the website. And here you could choose to display all the modules that you want on the site. For instance, like this will be a good one here to display. You open it so you could edit it. The menu will be a nice one to display there. And this here, the quality therapy. Module. Okay, so once you are in the control for the particular module, what you do is select the menu where you want to show it. If you click here, it will show on every single page. If you click here, it will not show on any page. If you click here, and this is the option that everybody uses, so it gives you the control to show modules wherever you want them. Select menu items from the list. Now this is the menu item that we just made. So click Control and click on it to select it, and now you indicated that you will like this module to show on this menu item whenever that menu item is clicked. I'll save it. And now you will see the content move to the left to make up space here for that module that we just set up to appear on this page here. And there it is. Now if you look at the source, this is the important thing, the source code that's making up this page here. And this is actually the way Google and other search engine robots and spiders see the page. Here you see that it's specifying the keywords are all the local places that you specify, and it's highly optimized to tell the search engines, all right, this website, these are the areas that we service, the description. Currently, whatever you wrote there comes up, and the keywords will tie your website to any searches in time, any searches related to any locality that you specify there. And that's the way it is. Let me just add a couple more modules here.